Okay guys, so today we're going to show you how to assemble the 20-inch Xspec bike. So when you take out all the parts from the box, you're going to get the main frame. Then you're going to get the front wheel here. You're going to get the seat with the seat post. You're going to get the kickstand, the front fender, and in the small box you're going to get your pedals, this tool, and all these small parts for the front fender. You're gonna get your manual, and then these tools are not included, but you're gonna need them: an adjustable wrench and a Allen wrench. The first thing we're gonna do is install the kickstand if it's not already installed on your bike. So you're gonna get your included tool. Take it out. Okay, you're gonna get your kickstand. Make sure that this spring is on the outside, and then just make sure that these grooves go inside of here. Kind of attach it like that. Make sure that it's kind of locked. Okay, just make sure that it doesn't move around. Okay, so to install the front wheel, you're gonna have to remove this rod. This is here just for shipping purposes. So just remove it. Put it to the side. And then, in case this part is closed, you can open it using an adjustable wrench. So just go here. Just open it, and then it's gonna open it up. So after opening up the brakes, you're gonna get your front tire, and then on your front tire, it tells you which direction it should be facing. It has an arrow. So then loosen up the nuts and the washer that has a hook. Do it on both sides. Okay. Then get your washer, and then make sure that you insert the hook on this hole. Get your nut. Tighten it. And then your wrench. Okay, make sure to tighten all the way, and then do the same for the other side. So now we're going to show you how to install the handlebars. So you're going to want to get this stem first, hold it all the way in, and then you're going to want to close this latch. Make sure that the latch is tight. If it's kind of loose, you can adjust it right here using a screwdriver. Okay, so once you make sure it's tight enough, you close it, and then you push this round plastic part in so that it locks into place. And then right here, you're gonna want to loosen it up so you can insert the handlebars. And the way you do that is you can hold this side and then turn this side counterclockwise. Get your handlebars, and then this groove should be facing the back. Okay, insert to the desired height, and then make sure you tighten this latch. So hold it and then turn it clockwise. Okay, until it's tight. Okay, you can close it up, and make sure you test out the handlebars by pushing them in. Make sure they don't go down. you're set for this part. So your handlebars are not aligned properly, you can adjust them. Okay, you're gonna want to remove this safety piece that's for the latch. It prevents it from opening. Open up your latch, and then you're gonna get a 6mm Allen wrench. You're gonna adjust this counterclockwise to loosen it up. Okay, and adjust your handlebars. Make sure they're aligned properly. Okay. And then you're gonna want to tighten it up clockwise. Use the latch, and make sure that you insert this safety piece inside. Okay, now we're gonna install the seat posts. So once again, to loosen up the latch, hold this part, and then turn it counterclockwise. Get your seat post. Insert it to the desired height, and then hold this side, and then turn this side clockwise. Okay, make sure it's tight. Close it all the way, and push the seat just so you can test it out so it doesn't go down. If you push down the seat and it goes down, that means that the latch is not securely tightened. So just open it up, make sure that you tighten it. Okay. And push. And then also another thing for the frame, make sure that this safety piece is down on this latch. That way it doesn't open up. Now we're going to show you how to assemble the pedals. And the pedals are labeled. It has L for left and R for right. So in my case, we're going to install the right pedal first. And then they're different in appearance because only the right pedal folds in. And that's to save space when it's folded. Okay, so get your right pedal, and then you can use your hand to tighten it. So turn it clockwise, so you can tighten, and get your wrench, so you can make sure it's tightened all the way in. There you go. And then do the same for the left pedal. The left pedal, you install that one, turning it counterclockwise. We're going to show you how to install the front fender and the reflector. So you're going to want to get your reflector in this small plastic piece. And then it's going to go like that. And then these grooves go on the inside like that. And then make sure it snaps into place. And you're going to insert it to the back in between the tire and the arch. Okay. Then get your screw. Make sure that you open it up. Get your reflector. Align it with the hole. Push it all the way in. And tighten the nut to the other side. Okay, then you're gonna get your wrench and a screwdriver. Make sure you tighten up the screw. Make sure that the fender's aligned properly as well. Align it with the hole right here. Hand tighten it, and then get your screwdriver. And then get your other screw and do the same for the other side. These black plastic pieces are for the nuts from the front wheel and the rear wheel. You can insert them right here if you like. It's optional. You get 4 pieces. Just do it to the front and to the rear sides. So then you're gonna want to make sure that the front brake cable is adjusted properly. So get the cable and pull it slightly, and then make sure it goes through that hole. And it locks properly. If you want to adjust them, you can get a wrench, and you're gonna adjust this right here. Turn it counterclockwise so you can loosen it up, and then adjust the cable. Get your wrench. Make sure that you tighten all the way in, that way the cable doesn't loosen up. Okay, so now we're going to show you how to fold the bike. Okay, so you're going to open up this latch, push it down, make sure you fold it down to the front wheel, then open up this safety lock, open up the latch, push out the kickstand, and then make sure that the left pedal is towards the top. That way it's easy to fold and it doesn't get in the way. Okay, then you can get your strap and attach it to the bike. That way it doesn't unfold.